Navigate the untamed wilderness with confidence, armed with essential survival weapons and gear. In the realm where nature dictates, being equipped with the right tools is paramount. From reliable hunting implements to versatile multi-purpose gear, these essentials empower adventurers to secure sustenance, defend against challenges, and conquer the great outdoors. Explore the arsenal of wilderness survival weaponry and gear, where preparedness meets the primal call of the wild. I included all the link in video description below. Let's dive in. Number 10. Sawed Folding Saw. The embodiment of precision and portability in outdoor cutting. Crafted by SOG, a brand synonymous with quality, this folding saw redefines convenience. Its high-carbon stainless steel blade, with sharp and aggressive teeth, effortlessly cuts through wood, making it an essential tool for camping, hiking, and more. The folding design ensures easy and safe storage, while the secure locking mechanism guarantees stability during use. The ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip, allowing you to tackle tasks with confidence. Whether you're building a shelter or gathering firewood, the sawed folding saw delivers reliable performance in a compact package. Elevate your outdoor experience with this versatile and dependable tool. Number 9. Cold Steel Leatherneck. A true embodiment of strength and reliability in a combat knife. Crafted by Cold Steel, a brand renowned for edged weapon expertise, this knife redefines tactical performance. The leatherneck boasts a razor-sharp, high-carbon stainless steel blade designed for versatile cutting, piercing, and survival tasks. Its sturdy construction, featuring a durable handle and guard, ensures optimal control and protection in high-pressure situations. The sleek design is complemented by a secure X sheath, allowing for safe and easy carry. Whether you're a military professional, law enforcement officer, or outdoor enthusiast, the Cold Steel Leatherneck is a dependable companion for demanding missions and challenges, embodying durability and tactical precision. Number 8. Tops Cuma. A pinnacle of versatility and craftsmanship in outdoor tools. Designed by Tops Knives, a name synonymous with quality, this multifunctional tool redefines outdoor readiness. The Cuma features a wide, high-carbon steel blade with a utility curve, offering exceptional cutting power and chopping capability. Its durable micarta handle ensures a secure grip during various tasks. The integrated sawback adds to its versatility, while the included kydex sheath provides safe storage and portability. Whether you're setting up camp, processing firewood, or crafting, the Tops Cuma stands as your dependable companion for wilderness adventures. Elevate your cutting experience with this reliable and multi-purpose tool that blends innovation and craftsmanship in one. Number 7. Therm-a-rest Corus Down Backpacking and Camping Quilt. The epitome of lightweight comfort for outdoor enthusiasts. Designed by Therm-a-rest, a trailblazer in sleeping solutions, this quilt reimagines restful nights. With its premium 650 filled Nikwax hydrophobic down, the Corus offers warmth and insulation without the weight. The quilt's versatile design easily attaches to your sleeping pad, eliminating drafts while allowing freedom of movement. Its footbox can be cinched up for added warmth or opened up for ventilation. From backcountry adventures to camping trips, the Corus down quilt ensures cozy sleep without sacrificing packability. Embrace the fusion of innovation and comfort with this essential gear that revolutionizes the way you sleep under the stars. Number 6. Titan SurvivorSteel Ferrocerium Fire Starter. The ultimate tool for igniting fires in any situation. Crafted by Titan, a brand synonymous with quality survival gear, this fire starter redefines dependability. With its high-quality ferrocerium rod, it produces sparks at high temperatures, easily lighting tinder and kindling. The rugged handle provides a secure grip, ensuring safety during use. Its compact size makes it an essential addition to any outdoor kit, from camping to emergency preparedness. Whether you're in the wild or facing unexpected situations, the Titan SurvivorSteel Ferrocerium Fire Starter guarantees the ability to create fire for warmth, cooking, and signaling, embodying reliability and readiness in the palm of your hand. Number 5. Combar Elite Adventurer Tool. The epitome of multifunctional excellence for outdoor enthusiasts. Crafted for the modern adventurer by Combar, this tool redefines versatility. With its rugged design, the Elite combines an axe, hammer, spade, and saw, offering essential functions in a single tool. Constructed with aircraft-grade aluminum and high-carbon steel, it withstands the toughest challenges. Its modular design allows for easy attachment and detachment of components, adapting to your needs. Whether you're camping, hiking, or tackling survival situations, the Combar Elite Adventurer tool ensures you're well-equipped for any task. Elevate your outdoor experience with this indispensable tool, where innovation meets durability in the pursuit of exploration and preparedness. Number 4. Coat Tools Modular Multi-Tool. The ultimate innovation in versatile outdoor tools. Crafted for adventurers and dye enthusiasts, this tool redefines utility. With its modular design, the GOAT, greatest of all tools, seamlessly transforms into a variety of tools, from wrenches and screwdrivers to bottle openers and more. Its high-quality stainless steel construction ensures durability and reliability in any situation. The compact size makes it a convenient addition to your pocket or backpack, ready to tackle unexpected tasks. Whether you're camping, cycling, or tackling everyday challenges, the GOAT Tools Modular Multi-Tool adapts to your needs, embodying adaptability and functionality in a single device. Elevate your tool collection with this ingenious solution that simplifies your gear without compromising on performance. Number 3. Gerber Doubledown Folding Machete. The epitome of cutting power and compact design. Crafted by Gerber, a brand known for precision, this machete redefines versatility. With its innovative folding mechanism, the Doubledown offers a full-sized blade that collapses down for easy portability. The 420 steel blade boasts exceptional cutting prowess, while the textured grip handle ensures a secure hold during use. The sheath with a belt loop enhances accessibility, making it a reliable tool for outdoor adventures, camping, and clearing trails. From chopping to slicing, the Gerber Doubledown Folding Machete streamlines your gear while delivering uncompromised performance. Elevate your outdoor experience with this essential tool, where form and function meet in the world of cutting-edge design. Number 2. Schrade Schist 1 Phantom Long Spear. The embodiment of versatility and strength in outdoor tools. Crafted by Schrade, renowned for their expertise, this spear redefines functionality. With its durable stainless steel construction, the Phantom Long Spear is designed for precision and power. The two-sided spearhead features a sharp point for piercing and a sharp edge for cutting, making it ideal for hunting, camping, and survival situations. Its ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip, ensuring control during use. With a detachable head and included sheath, this spear is easily transportable and ready for action. Whether you're navigating the wild or preparing for emergencies, the Schrade Schist 1 Phantom Long Spear is your steadfast companion, embodying ruggedness and innovation in one. Number 1. 5.11 Tempt R1 Flashlight. The epitome of illumination and durability in tactical gear. Crafted by 5.11 Tactical, a leader in professional equipment, this flashlight redefines reliability. With its powerful output and durable construction, the Tempt R1 ensures optimal performance in demanding situations. The high-intensity Kriegspig LED delivers 375 lumens of focused light, illuminating even the darkest corners. Its rugged aerospace-grade aluminum body withstands harsh conditions and impacts, making it a reliable tool for law enforcement, military, and outdoor enthusiasts. The momentary and steady-on modes cater to versatile applications,